welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Queen and today I'm going to be showing you how I like to apply my foundation, how I properly apply my foundation and my concealer. I'll be going in with my foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. And before doing this, I had already wet my brush and I moisturized my face. That is really very important. I moisturized. Basically, I had done my skincare routine before doing this. So yeah, I'm going to link it below, or you can check my videos. I think the first video I had was about my skincare routine, so you can see how I like to prep my skin before I do my makeup. So I'm just going to go in with my beauty sponge, my damp beauty sponge, so applying this. So next is our concealer. I'm going to be using the L.A Girl Pro concealer in the shade Toffee and the L.A Girl Pro concealer again in the shade Cool Tan. Then I'll be using the NYX Professional Makeup Studio Photogenic concealer in the shade Deep Rich. This is going to be my contour shade and these are going to be my highlighting shade, but sometimes I still like to go in with a lighter color, which is this CoverGirl. I like to use this CoverGirl for the inner corners of my eyes. I'm just going to go ahead and apply and show you how I like to do mine. So you just want to put it around underneath your eyes, not too close to your eyes, a bit away from your eyes. So when you blend it, you can blend it towards your eyes as close as possible. Sometimes I like to bring it above my lip, like below my nose, and then this portion. So when I blend that, I'll blend it towards these corners. Okay? Just a little here and bring it downwards. I'm just going to blend that out. And as closely as possible to underneath my eyes. This looks very natural. One thing I like about this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, it's super lightweight. You don't feel like you're wearing anything on your face. As you can see, my face still looks very natural. So I like to go in with this lighter shade. I'm just going to apply this lighter shade in this inner corner. I'm going to start from the edge. Can you notice the difference from the first time and now? This is brighter. So if you want to go for a more serious glam, you can still decide to add a lighter shade of concealer on the inner corners. Now let me show you what I mean. I'm just going to do that real quick. Blend that gently now. So I'm just going to use this dark shade on the sides of my cheekbones underneath and drag that all the way up here. This is how you contour. This helps to define the shape of your face. I'm going to do the same thing here. These are your cheekbones, just directly beneath your cheekbones. And then this way, halfway into your brows. And then when you blend the remains, you can bring them here, or you can just apply a little bit right there. So I'll blend that first before I apply the same thing around my nose. I'm just going to blend that carefully and make sure to keep it in the areas which I applied it. I'm going to apply around here, or since I already have the remnants on my blending sponge, I'm just going to do that. These are the shadowed portions of my face. I'm just going to apply the remnant right there. So you see, there's definition here. Can you see that? I would go do the same for here. So I'm just going to go ahead to apply these, not on the bridge of my nose, but beside, on both sides. Make sure not to apply too much, and I like to take it from underneath my brows. Gently this way, not all the way down, but while I blend, I'll take it all the way down. I'm going to do that down here. Alright, so this is it. I'm just going to blend that out. So you can see this looking really nice and smooth. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you apply your setting powder. I like to apply 2 different shades of setting powder. The dark shade, which is from Wet n Wild, I like to use it to set the contoured portions of my face. So I'll press that against my skin first to reduce the excess. At my nose area, and then I'll go ahead to use my CoverGirl translucent powder to set the highlighted portions of my face. As you can see, it doesn't look crazy white and too bright. It matches the shade of my foundation. You want to make sure when you're highlighting or using your bronzer too, the same thing. You don't want to use a shade that is not, that doesn't match you at all. Fine, cut here. And here. And sometimes I like to spray my face before I start to apply my eyeshadow and the other things. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is how I like to contour my face. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and join the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming again. So see you guys next time. Bye bye.